Look at you! Shanty, Shanty. Maybe. You gonna play with the puppy, Mabes? Rudy. Hi, Rubes. Hi, Rubes. Thank you.
Charlie.
Charlie, be nice to the baby.
Charlie.
Hello, Rubes. Brutus. Broody. Video. Hello, Lola. I see you smiling. Bella's like, what about me? What about me?
Oh, you're such a princess.
Charlie. Look at your big floppy ears.
What?
It's probably the oldest one and the youngest one playing together right there.
Cool, baby.
Yeah. Come on, guys.
Oh, yeah, Noah.
Let's go see what's going on inside. I know there's some doggies in there. Well, that's the spot. Shanty. Get your Lola. Charlie. Charlie, come on. What are we doing, Bella? What do we got going on in here? Finnegan. Come here, Finny. Finny. Rudy. Rudy. Oh, good boy. Finny. Play with little Lola. Come on. It's too loud in here. We'll go back outside. Come on. He doesn't know what to do with the curtain. Oh. Come on, Pipes. Come on. Hi, pretty little Lola. Oh, Shanty, the sneak attack.